Okay, we're on Tuesday the 4th of October, so let's have a look at the FTSE for the trading day ahead. First thing to go over is yesterday's price action. Completed the analysis that we went over from Sunday's review video. Basically, we talked about how after Friday's trading day, where the market attempted to break down, it couldn't come back down into these 7,770 levels, and instead popped back up and closed as a slightly bullish candle. I was expecting the market to break the triple top that had formed. We did that yesterday, and the price action came all the way up into basically the 7,000 levels. So for the trading day today, well, first of all of the zones that I have identified on the chart, which we will look at when we drop down into the 5-minute time frame, all of them are going to be good for trades today, and I will just be looking to implement the trading plan at those zones. Let me just zoom out. We can see the market is now coming up into this area right here. It's this whole area. In fact, we can come even down even further. It's this whole area up here. When the market was last up here, making its all-time high right here, it was chopping sideways. It was really struggling at these levels. As you can see, we made the high here, and the market has just been chopping sideways, coming down, shooting back up, and chopping along. Because of that, the market has created a lot of resistance areas up above where we are right now. So the zones up here, good for sell positions. I also will be watching to see if this market can pull back. If it pulls back into the zone at the sort of 6,950 levels today, or down towards 6,910, I'll be watching for long positions, bounces in the market, basically on the premise that we have now broken resistance and the market is coming back to test these levels as support. Okay, so on the 5-minute time frame, just going to quickly highlight these zones that I'm watching. I'm watching up above for the sell positions, and then down below, these two areas right here would be lining in with the pullback. But we also have levels underneath also if the market just continues to fall through these areas. All I'm doing is implementing my trading plan at these areas and purely taking zone trader trades. There's not anywhere that I'm looking to get in blind today. Couple of things on the daily time frame that I'm now looking at, and basically I want to see if the market can hold up above these levels now. If we come crashing back down, excuse me, and close down here, it's the potential for a false break up, just coming up to take out stops, and then the market comes back down again. We're just watching to see what happens now on the daily time frame. As always, with the way I trade, I analyze the market each day, each morning, and go over what it has been doing and what it is suggesting for the trading day ahead. Okay, so we will come back at the close of the market and we will have a look at what happens. I'll take you through the how the zones reacted, zone traders. I'll take you through the potential trades and how they should have been managed. Okay, so we're at 25 to 5 and the FTSE is now closed. What we can see is we have had a very, very strong up day. And the FTSE, let's just confirm this, 7130.3 was the high of the day. And 7127.3 was the previous all-time high. So the FTSE today made a new all-time high. And what you can actually see is we have dropped down into the close. I'll go over that when we drop down onto the 5-minute time frame. Live trade, and basically what I'm doing is I'm splitting the live trade out from the review videos, just to try and keep the videos a little bit shorter. So the live trade will be posted up as a separate video, likely the day after the review videos. Okay, so the 5-minute time frame, let's have a look. The market spiked all the way up very, very strongly, and there was really no pause at all. We had a very slight pause at R2, and then it just continued on its way very, very strongly up into the zone at 7122, which is lining up with the all-time highs of the FTSE 100. Okay, so let's go through this for zone traders first of all. Looking at the trading potential, we had a very nice entry right here at 1 o'clock. I'm going to pick them all out actually at once. We then had an engulfing candle right here. Where is our target, or where is our management point target for these trades? Look at this congestion right here. As we go into this zone, you'll actually see on the live trade, I believe it was this one that I took for the live trade. And basically, watching down at these levels for the reaction, the reason for this being a management point and also an exit point is because the FTSE is up toward the all-time highs. It hasn't made the new all-time high as yet, so it's very likely the FTSE is going to make repeat attempts until it gets to this new all-time high, which happened right here. And the market came down, bounced, pushed back up again. You get another signal right here, 230, and the market comes all the way down to the exact same area where it bounces once again. For me, there was no good entries on this next run up. You get a very strong engulfing candle here, but it's right into daily support and resistance levels, and as you can see, the market comes down and bounces straight back up again. And then into the 430 close, the market makes a new all-time high, and basically instantly it reverses and crashes all the way down. So basically all that's happened is the FTSE has made a new all-time high. Traders with long positions have jumped out of their positions, closed them out, taken profits, and the market has plummeted a fair amount. No trader wants to hold a position overnight when a market has just made a new all-time high. So that is everything for the FTSE for today. The main thing to go over is the very, very strong rally produced very few trading opportunities. Well, it produced no trading opportunities at all until we got all the way up here, with the first good one coming at 1 o'clock. Again, it's all about patience when you're trading, guys. You just want to wait for these good setups. You get another one at 2:30, which is right at the US Open. It's basically the exact same move, comes right back down into the exact same levels. Two very, very nice, simple trades. And the live trade from today, as I've mentioned, will be posted separately. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful, guys. As always, I'm James Orr, and thank you.